Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut music in CapCut. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So what you simply want to do is first of all open CapCut, of course, which is really obvious, and you want to create a new project with the actual video clip where you want to add music to, for example this one. Then in order to actually add music, simply click on this audio icon, click on sound, and you can literally search for any song you want, and it doesn't matter which song, of course, it will all be the same.
Everybody.
Alright, so now that I have a music clip added, what I can simply do is select this music clip and I can literally drag it to the left in order to align it with the beginning of my video clip. And then in order to actually cut the music clip, I have two ways to do this. The first one is I simply scroll to the end of this music clip and then I can drag it all the way to the left by clicking on it, just like this, and then CapCut will automatically snap it to the end of the video. The second thing you can actually do is just simply right here click on the music clip where you want it to end. You can simply click on split, and right now I have two parts of the music clip, and then I can literally click on delete and now it's also gone. In order to actually cut a middle part of it, what I can simply do is click on the music clip again, click on split, and for example I want to remove this piece of the music clip, I click on split again, and then I can simply delete this part and I can add these two parts to each other again, and then I can make it a little bit longer so it fits again. So that's how you can cut music in CapCut. So if you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.